Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander LS, stock reference number 4848. This shape runs from the first month 2015 through to the 8th month 2018. It has a 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Non-power lift type. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. Power mirror fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.